Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain Xbox series how to fix no sound through headset. Press the X button from the controller, then go to audio and music and drag the headset chart mixer to middle and mic monitoring to low. Now go to home and go to settings. Then go to devices and connections. Then click on controller and headsets. Now click on three dots. Now click on update and update now. Then go to settings menu. Then go to general. Then open volume and audio output. Now select the headset audio drop down. Set it as Windows Sonic for headphones or stereo uncompressed. Now go to additional options. Now go to party chart output. Now set it to headset or headset and speakers. Now go back and click on audio testing and details. Now click on reset audio settings. By following the steps, you can fix no sound through headset.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.